What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Every time I talk about XRP, there's a lot of hate in the comment section. And honestly, it fuels future videos that I can create, kind of like this one. But those same XRP haters are going to be mad. Like, they're going to be mad at me whether I talk about it while it's at its current level or whether I talk about it when we see it explode, when we see it get to $5 and $10 and whatever other dollar figure it gets to. You're always going to have those people that will find the negativity or the negative thing about this project. It just happens, right? Some people just love to hate it. And I think it really stems around their position and what they've invested their money into, and how many people are now talking about XRP, how much popularity it's had, and all of the conversations there because they've invested in a Bitcoin or they invested into Ethereum, and XRP is the topic of conversation. But ultimately, when we look at where XRP will be, in my opinion, right, because it is just my opinion, um, they will be upset with me in anything that I say because it will be on the positive side. Now, while I did mention how much XRP I do have, people were upset about how much XRP I said I had. And then when I explain it, they're like, well, you know what? You don't need to show anybody, you know, um, which doesn't make sense. You ask for it, but then you don't ask for it at the same time. But either way, XRP is going to be worth a lot. And you're going to be mad at me for everything that I have to say in this video because XRP is going to be worth more than your position, market cap wise, and maybe even price wise. And I can't wait to see that. So, we're going to get into this in this video, give you guys an update of where it stands and what we expect as we move forward. But if you guys could hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. If you want to check out my link for the video sponsor FortisX, please do so. You can keep your holdings working for you with FortisX. They have liquidity pools where you can earn up to 18.8% variable APY. With no lockups. You can withdraw anytime. There's millions of dollars of allocated assets within there, and you can trade, XRP, Ethereum, USDT, and many others that are there. Again, no lockups, right? It's not like the platforms that you've seen before where it's 28 days or 30 days or whatever the time period actually is. There's no lockup period. You can lock it up for a little bit, withdraw right away if you want to, remove it from liquidity, remove it from those pools if you want to, and then go on about your day. So check it out. Link is down there in the description. At the top of the description, it's also in the comment section. But let's go ahead and dive into the video content, which is surrounding XRP. For the last month, it seems like we've been hovering around the same area, right? Anywhere lower than $1.10, between $1 and $1.10. More recently, it's been hovering right around that $1 mark. And more recently, yesterday, breaking below the $1 mark at 99.9 cents. It is down by 67 or almost 68 percent in the last year, from the $3 mark down to the $1 mark. $62 billion of a market cap, almost $63 billion of a market cap, with about $1 billion worth of volume. 62 or 63 billion in circulating supply versus the total supply of 99.98 billion coins. It almost has 550,000 holders. Now, if we look at the last month, it is down by 10%. The last week, it's down by 4% in the last 24 hours. It's basically flat, right? We haven't seen any type of positive or negative movement. It's been hovering like it's a stable coin. While other things are kind of decreasing or increasing, XRP has been hovering in this 99 cents to $1 mark. It looks like it is a stable coin at the moment, because even to the point when it decreases below $1, you would expect it to go to 99 cents flat, or 98, right? It goes to 99.9. So acting as if it is more stable than anything else that's in the market. Now, why will people be mad at me, right? Why will haters be mad at me? Well, for I don't even know how long. It's been a very long time, years. I've been talking about XRP and how it's going to be worth a lot more than they think, and how we're going to see short term, how we're going to see it get to $1, surpass $1, get to 2, get to 3, almost surpass the all-time high, if not surpass the all-time high, get to a 100 or 200 billion dollar market cap. Those conversations and those videos happened, and every time I made any of those videos, it was, that's not going to happen. It's barely going to break $30 billion. Well, guess what? It did. It's barely going to break $50 billion. It's not going to get to 60 billion ever again. Right? Well, it got to that. There's no way it's going to break $100 billion. Well, guess what? It got to that. You claiming that it's going to get past $100 billion to $200 billion or $300 billion is false. It will never happen. Well, guess what? It got to $200 billion, getting to the all-time high, or pressure the all-time high. It will never happen. Guess what? It did happen. So these things are going to happen. We're going to see XRP worth a lot more, whether you hate on it, you hate on me, you hate what I say or not. It will get there. Now, the crazy thing is the people that will say all these things are the either impatient people or the complete XRP haters. If you have been impatient in a play or impatient in cryptocurrency, especially utility play, you will be the one to say that. Impatience is the killer of all profits, right? Because it can go down a lot more than it actually goes up, the amount of times. But ultimately, when you look at the chart, it's positive. If you look at this and zoom, kind of all the way out, you still see this as positivity, even though it got up to a $3 price point, even though this got up to a $3 price point. If you look at the movement, if you look at the trend, it is still increasing. We're still seeing it move in that upward fashion, which is amazing to see, right? But it also, people tend to kind of zoom in rather than zoom out. The picture still looks very, very positive, even if it is at $1. And some people bought at a level of $2. This is your chance to average into it, right? At $1, it's a chance to average into it, to see $2, to see $3, to see a 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, 10x, 20x, whatever the case may be. So you can be mad at me all you want. The chart speaks for itself. It clearly still is in an uptrend overall. When you look at from start to finish, it is positive. There are many others that you can't say the same. From start, it was here, to finish, it dropped all the way down to there, right? You can't say that with everything, but you can say that with XRP. Now, the use case and what the ultimate price will be, I mean, that varies. You can go in there, you can have your own opinion. I've had my own opinion, and I will always have where my certain price levels will be, but it's not depending on a time frame. It's not depending on if this happens by 2027. Who cares if it does? If it does, great. I'll be happy. I can take profit in certain areas. But if it doesn't, I'm still fine with it, because it's about patience. If you have patience, you will go very, very far, but you have to have it. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, again, check out any of the links that are down below. I want to know if there are any XRP haters in the comment section, and why, right? It's not even about just seeing the people that hate it, but give me a real explanation as to why. And maybe I'll look that up and talk about that in the video soon. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my link for FortisX. Check out my link for BTCC down below if you guys are interested. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.